Greetings, good morning, and all those other types of things. All right. Um, all right, now continue on with our design a house in AutoCAD step by step. I'm going to show you something or how to do something if you need to adjust your house, your building. And that is, okay, let's say if I want to extend portion of this house in order to make some rooms larger. I want to make this master bedroom, this bathroom, and this closet larger. I don't necessarily have to make the closet larger, but I think I will anyway. Well, no, actually, I've changed my mind already. I don't want to make that closet longer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Modify panel. I'm going to pull down the little arrow, and you see there's some split tools here. This is break at point, and this is breaks the selected object between 2 points. Either one will work fine. So, let's say I choose break at point, and I want to break this wall right here. Select object, and then it actually attached right here. I didn't actually move it where I wanted it, but that's okay. We don't have to have it exactly right because we're going to make some repairs to it. But anyway, again, all I did was click on the break tool, selected the object, okay, which is right here, and you see now it defaults to the center, to that snap point, but I can turn that point on and kind of drag over to the left and click and either get it to cut a little bit larger. And what I'm going to do now, let's see, where else do I need? I really don't need to cut anything over here, just really that one section there. So I'm going to copy, or not copy, I'm going to select. I'm going to do a crossing doohickey here. And I don't want to get those walls, so I'm going to do it from this side. Sometimes maybe it'll take more than one try to get all of it like you want it. Let's try just a window. Okay, so I got what I need, and then I'm going to just click the Move tool, and which is up here in your Modify panel. That's once you get everything selected, and just pick a move point. Just move that whole wall up. I probably don't want to go that far. And it'll help you stay on track, as far as straight up and down or out to the side or whatever. And if I do it about right there, and that's it, I just moved that wall. So there's a couple of things I'll have to repair, such as some of the, let's see, I can go from about, let's go from here to here. All right, so that will be actually my exterior wall. All right, and then of course I just go around repairing, making repairs to the rest of it, getting it, or actually we'll offset this one. .5 inches. Okay, and then we'll make some corners. We'll fillet that, and then we will hit enter, and we will fillet here. Fillet here. Fillet here. Okay, so there we go. We have fixed it. To do this right here, I would do an extend. If it will extend, let's see. Yep, sure will. All right, and of course I'll probably want to move that door as well. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, we just added a few feet to the house. I didn't measure how far I pulled it out. I just kind of pulled it out a distance that looked comfortable. But in all actuality, I added 3 feet 1 5/8 inches You don't have to do yours exactly the same distance. You don't actually have to do yours at all if you don't want to. If you just like the size of the bedroom and the bathroom the way it is, just go ahead and leave it like it is, because next we're going to go to elevations.